Dude, I'm catching up, man.
Dude, I can see
Stay up on your
skin.
game.
I can see skin everywhere.
Well, that's not fair. You gotta practice, dude.
Yeah. Wait, I almost got it. Wait. Oh!
We're tied.
Yep. We're tied.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
Yeah, that's cool. We're good.
Good game. Good game.
That was good. That was good.
It's not bad.
That was good.
You know what, man? I'm actually kind of glad that we're not one of those overly competitive guys.
Yeah, I agree. We're good.
I mean, some people just take it to a whole nother level. You know what I mean?
I know, like, who would do a hot dog eating contest?
Or an arm wrestling contest.
Or a staring contest?
Or even a Ferrero Rocher eating contest.
Right?
That'd be ridiculous, man.
That'd be crazy.
Because you both know I'd win. I'm sorry, man. I guess I didn't really clean my ears that well this morning. Did I just hear you say that you'd win in a Ferrero Rocher eating contest today?
I actually think I heard you saying you'd win, but then I think I heard that wrong because I have some hazelnut cream stuck in my ears.
John, I eat Nutella every night with my fingers before I go to sleep, alright? You can't touch me in a Ferrero Rocher eating contest.
Ferrero Rocher is my middle name, and it's my last name. I can't even say it right, and it's my name.
You know what? Do what you gotta do. Meet me back here in an hour. We'll prep up for this and we'll settle what's the matter.
Ferrero Rocher away. Am I gonna win? Is that even a question? This guy was born to lose. I win by default.
What's my game plan? My game plan is to do what I do every single night. A box of Ferrero Rocher. I'm gonna dominate. Because this is what I do. Take this seriously.
I think I got it. I think I'm gonna win it. I think I'm gonna beat this guy. Cut. Ferrero Rocher away.
Ridiculous. Well, no, I'd win.
Win.
We'd win?
Yeah.
Because we both know we'd win.
Because we do know we tie again.
You know what, man? Huh?
You're probably right because I would win.
What the fuck was that?
Stomach made a noise.
Boo! I heard boo!